Yo, what's going on, guys? So basically, I'm wearing my school clothes for tomorrow. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like probably embarrass the flip out of myself. I might go in the forum and just scream like, "Subscribe to Brandon Thomas, bro," guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. But let me I'll see you guys tomorrow. Flip it. Yo, it's so packed, bro. It's so packed. Yo, so what should I do right now in the forum?
I don't know.
I feel like I should do the Patrick Star Leo.
Yeah, why not?
So basically what happened is I threw pop rocks and I accidentally slipped off and, dropped them on the ground, and this is what happened. I got searched. Alright guys, so basically the forum up right there, I'm gonna go and flipping scream my YouTube channel out. So let's go, Bo. And I'm gonna oh shit. Let's go, guys. Hey, come on. What? Watch it, guys. Come on. What did I do? Let's go. Come on. What? Huh? What? Who's got those poppers? I have no idea. Yo. Okay. I'm so sorry. Alright, where is it? You want to confiscate them? Yeah, turn them inside out. I promise. I mean, for me, you do it upstairs. I promise. That's all we had. You got your backpack. You got more in your backpack. Oh, come on! Come on, let's go. You're a cool teacher. No, you can't keep them. You can't keep them. I just don't have any more. We're going to look through your back. So what do you got in there? Come on, let's go. I need a little hugs, too. Let's go. All right. Come on. We're trying to do something now. Come on. All right.
Guys, if you guys have more on you, on your backpacks, I'm going to search them. I'm going to search them.
We don't have any. Had, but we don't.
So, I know you had more than 5.
We threw it away because we were about to throw it away. We just found it like in the garbage can. We did. No, because my paper was in the garbage, and because some bully put it in there. Sorry.
Oh, before you go, follow that Instagram, cop that bread, get that bread, bro. Follow me and catch that bread, bro. Peace.